Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to go into Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Open it. Click Get Started. Tap OK. Click on the switcher next to LED keyboard over here. Choose OK again and tap on Input Options. Select LED keyboard one more time and pick one of the options about ads. When you're done, you can pick keyboard that you like the best by tapping on it. I will go with that one. Close an app and tap Get Theme. Now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that LED one was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!